Hey there, Erin Afner with AfnerWords here. Happy Mindful Monday. I'm back with the Monday mantra. Each week I channel a new mantra based on the collective energy that I'm picking up on, and I write them in first person so you can use them for yourself. I use mantras in my daily practice to help reprogram my brain, shift my mindset, and achieve goals, manifestation, healing. There are numerous uses for mantras. They're very powerful. Words matter. So I do invite you to try mantra for yourself and harness the power of your word. So this week, the mantra is I see a negative 3D reality, but I don't want to be of it. I want to rise above it. Okay, I see a negative 3D reality, but I don't want to be of it. I want to rise above it. So, can you feel the pressure? It's getting hot in here. Pressure's getting greater and greater, getting close to that election. It is the pressure cooker. Woo-wee! So, that's what this mantra is about. We're still, pitted against each other. The left and the right. Wrong and right. So everyone's trying to figure out who's wrong and who's right. And if you're like me, maybe you found yourself being just sort of dragged into disagreements or arguments, debates about your differences in opinion with the other. And it can just really suck you in and kind of get your mind rolling, and you just feel stuck in this negativity and low vibe of, oh my gosh, I don't know how this person can think that way. How can they think that way? This is so disturbing to me, right? And it's just, you just get stuck. And then you go around and around in this negative, icky, 3D reality matrix that really you can choose to rise above it. Whoop, whoop, whoop. So that's what I've been doing this week, practicing rising above. And you know what helps you practice rising above? You guessed it, mantras. All right. When I found myself, I had a moment. Hey, I'm human. I'm just like everyone else. I had a moment, and I was worried about my fellow humans whose belief sets are so different than mine. And I just was stuck in this never-ending loop of going back to the frustration and worry. And so I busted out a journal and started journaling and made some really awesome scripts for manifestation and just started reciting those things, and it instantly put me in a positive high vibe. And suddenly all that stuff that was nagging at me just dissolved. And ever since I did that, I've stayed in this state of being not bothered and completely detached from the disagreements, from the continued disagreements that continue to arise, the continued challenges of my opinion and attempting to kind of pull me back into that space again. And it just, I'm immune now. It doesn't bother me. It ain't gonna work. So, so this mantra, try this. Here's a mantra for you. You don't have to go and write and journal for yourself, although it'd be more powerful if you did. But if you don't have the time for that, maybe try this one. So here's the mantra one more time. I see a negative 3D reality, but I don't want to be of it. I want to rise above it. So rise above this week, y'all. Stand true to your beliefs. Feel comfortable and confident in them. Don't worry about what other people think. Don't worry about who's right or who's wrong. Just be comfortable in yourself and rise above it all. All right, thanks for watching. I love you. If you're watching on YouTube, I would love it if you would subscribe to the channel. Maybe leave me a comment below and let me know. Have you been feeling the challenge? How are you getting through these times? If you're watching on social media, I pose the same question. And thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.